Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from eLearning Portal. In today's video, I will show you how to add a quiz to your course in iSpring Learn. Let me show you how this is done. Let's go to our learning content. Then we will be adding a quiz to our courses. So let's open our courses folder and we will be adding an online quiz within Systems Technologies course. So let's click on that. So this is a course that we've set up. It consists of various sections and I want to add a quiz at the end of mainframe computers. Okay, and maybe I should add a new section and I'll call this my formal assessments. Press enter. From here, I will click on add and then you'll see just next to page there's online quiz. So I'll click on that and this will open my online quiz editor. You'll see here my title screen. So I can add a name for my quiz. So I'll type in where it says new quiz and I'll call this my Systems Technologies quiz. I can provide instructions here. By clicking on add a picture or video, I can add upload image, or I can use an image from a URL, or I can even add a video. I'll add an image. So I'll go to my images folder and I'll select an image. And I click on open. This will upload my image. Before we add some questions, let's look at our results screen by clicking on results screen. And this is what the users will see at the end of their quizzes. If the user passes, you will see this message and we can change this message. We can also change this message here, as well as when users fail the quiz, they'll see these messages. To add a new question, we'll click on New Question. This opens up a drop-down list with 3 different question types: multiple choice, multiple response, and a short answer question. Let's leave it on multiple choice, and now the multiple choice window opens. Here we can add our question text. First, I'll add my question text. You'll see next to the question text, there's an image icon. So I can add images to my question if I need to. Just underneath my question text, you'll see I have various options available. So my first option available, I can change this to the correct answer or incorrect answer. So I'll type in here laptop. The second option, I'll type in personal computer. Third option, I'll type in a supercomputer. And then my last option, I'll type in netbook. Okay, and now I need to select the correct answer by selecting the radio button there. Okay. I can even delete some of these options. When I hover over it, you'll see my delete bin is there available. Okay. I can add more options by clicking on add new choice and typing in the new choice. Okay. I can provide feedback for the correct answer and I can provide feedback for the incorrect answer. I'll leave it as is. Let's add another question. So I'll click on new question, select multiple choice, and my second question will be added. So here's my first question. I can click on the ellipsis icon. I can duplicate this question and just change the wording. I can move it down or I can remove it completely. So let's add the second question. So there's all my options available and my correct answer is already selected. I can change the correct feedback and incorrect feedback, but I'll leave it as is. Now, for my third question, I'll duplicate the second question by clicking on the ellipsis icon and then clicking on duplicate, and it will duplicate that question and it becomes question 3. Now all I need to do is make changes here. So this will then become my question 3, and here I can change my options. Okay, my correct answer will be my flash drive or my flash memory. Okay, I'll leave everything as is, and this will be my 3 questions. I'll add another question. Let's add a short answer question. Short answer question will have an answer here that students can type. So I'll have a short answer question here. So let's paste it in here, and this will become my question 4. So a netbook has memory than laptop. So now they need to specify more or less. So enter the answer. So this becomes less. For my last question, I'll add a multiple response question. Okay, so now learners can choose 1 or more options or 2 or more options as their correct answer. Okay, so I'll make this number 5. Okay, so that will be my question number 5, and my first option will be my smartphone. My second option will be my tablet. My third option will be a netbook. My last option will be a laptop. Okay, so now I can choose both these options. That's correct, and I'll leave it as is. When I'm done, I click on publish, and this will publish my quiz. I can now click on manage, and it will take me to my course again. Okay, so there's my quiz. Now you'll see it still says new quiz, and we want to change that. So let's click on edit. In your top left hand corner, you'll see there it says new quiz. So let's change it to the same name here, and I'll click on it and then paste my new name. Press enter on my keyboard and it will take on that name. Let's click on publish again, manage quiz, and it will take us back to our course. If we scroll down now, you'll see the name of the quiz changes to the new name that I've added. Okay, so now that the quiz is set up, let's make some other changes to our quiz. Let's click on edit. Once here, you'll see next to your name, click on the gear icon. This will take us to the quiz settings. In the number of attempts, you can specify the number of attempts you will allow learners to take. Then you can add a passing score. Mine is 80%. Then you can enable shuffle questions. If you want to shuffle the questions within the quiz, I'll usually leave this on. Then you can set a time limit for the quiz, and you can specify here, this quiz is 20 minutes. You have 20 minutes to complete the quiz. Also, you can specify whether you want to show the correct answers, as well as whether you want to shuffle the answers. Let's click on the Design tab, and here we can make some modifications to our quiz design. We can select a different color or create a custom color. We can select the fonts for our headings as well as the font for our body text. If we're happy, we can click on Save and we're back on our quiz settings. Now, next to our gear icon here, we can export the quiz, but we don't want to do that now. But next to the Publish button, you'll see there's a Preview button or Preview icon. So let's click on that. This will provide us with a view what the learners will experience in our quiz. So here they will see the quiz, the topic, the instructions, as well as where we can start the quiz. It will also indicate the time limit they have. We can also experience the quiz on different devices and what the learners will see when they are on different devices. So let's click on Start Quiz and immediately you'll see your time starts. You can select an answer, then click on Submit. You'll see there's my correct answers. I'll click on Continue, select another answer that's correct, and it shows me my feedback. Click on Continue. Yeah, I can type a word. Click on Submit and it will show me it's incorrect. Continue. I'll choose here the correct answer. Click on Submit. Click on Continue. And then I'll select another answer that's correct. So immediately it will show me my results 60% and the passing score was 80%. So I did not pass. This is how easy it is to add a quiz to your course. Remember, all you need to do is click on Add, select the quiz, and then start adding your question types. I really hope this video was helpful. Please make sure you spend some time on it and try it out.